Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app. You want to head to the top right corner where you see the gear icon on your profile. Then slowly but steadily you want to scroll all the way down to the section preferences. The last option in the section preferences is essentially dark mode. When you click on it, you will have a couple of options. First of all, you have the option to turn it on and you have the option to turn it off. The third option over here is that the Facebook will match the theme that you currently have on your device. In my case, this is iPhone. So if I click the theme, I have a dark mode on my phone generally. So this is what the Facebook app will do. Will simply match the theme on your phone, so you will not have an issue, right, moving from dark theme on your device to bright theme here on the Facebook app. I advise you to do the same thing on each and every app. There is a setting similar one on Instagram. You can do the same thing when you go and use X, the Twitter, and each and every app will simply have a very smooth transition because they all gonna have the same user experience and you're not gonna get shocked, especially if you're in the dark late at night on the streets, right? You're moving from dark user experience on your device, and then you open the app and everything is bright and everything is like kind of irritating for the eyes. So this is what I'm advising you guys, and vice versa. If you have a bright version on your device, bright theme, right, over here, you probably want to make sure that each and every theme on the apps that you're using is matching the theme on your phone. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Facebook. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you want to head to the gear icon and launch the settings and privacy. Here, let's make it easy. Let me give you the shortcut. Just click on the just click on the magnifying glass on the top right corner. Okay. And then I want you to type history. Okay. There you have it. You click on search history and Facebook will simply launch all the apps that you have, all the Instagram pages, all the Facebook pages, all the Facebook accounts you have. There are plenty of ways that you can actually approach this. You can click on clear all searches over here, and it will give you an option to delete all the search history that you have during the last hour, yesterday, or all time. This is very important and very different if you compare with Instagram. I will make a separate video showing you on Instagram things look a little more different, a little more customization. Here, you either can keep the short-term history or delete everything. It's as black and white as it can be. According to Facebook, choose the time frame to clear all of your searches from your accounts. This will remove your searches on every device. Very important, you can't undo this action. So it is not like if you delete it from here on your iPhone and if you log in through your iPad or iMac, it will be different. No, once when you pick up device, you choose the account, you choose the time frame, and you delete the search history, and this will automatically go all the way through all devices linked to this same account. And this is how you clear all your search history on Facebook. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the spam messages on Messenger. Let's launch the Messenger app first. First thing you want to go is to the top left corner where you see the three stripes. You click on them, right? Then all you want to do is to click on third option. It says message requests. You click on message requests and you have the two subsections. First of all, it's the messages that you receive from someone that is not in your friend list, but it's assumed by Facebook or Messenger that this is someone that you may actually know. The second option that you click on the site is that you have a spam. So this is determined by the algorithm of Facebook, of Meta, that these people are not interacting directly with you. The most cases and suspicion is that these are simply bots, are automated text sending systems. So if you simply look around, it is very less likely to actually know all the people that who message you, or to know at least some of these people. So what you can do about it, right? So there is an option, is called decide who can actually message you. When you click on this one, you can filter and limit people who are sending you messages. So this will simply give you less work to clean the spam folder in general. If you look, you can simply decide who to send you a message request, who can simply, be part of your chats list, your message request folder, or whatever you receive from them, right? You might be part of certain group with other people that you don't know, but if you set the function that these people are not going to be able to message you at all. If you look at the sub segments over here, potential connections, friends of friends on Facebook, this means that if you already have friends from somebody who is part of your friend list, right, Facebook will let them message you. And this will come to a subsection, if you remember, people you may know. But if somebody messages you out of the blue that is not part of your friend list, or is not friend of people from your friends list, right, this will simply go straight to the spam folder. You want to make sure that you're checking these different subsections because everything is possible. Sometimes you might just meet someone new that you didn't exchange contacts with, right? But the person found you online, he messaged you, and this is probably his message will end up being in the spam folder. So check your settings, check how Facebook and Messenger will deliver the messages, okay? Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook account completely private. You will be able to choose what information to hide and what information to share with the public, with your friends, friends of friends, and others. Let's dive in. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner. Then when you're at your menu on your own profile, go ahead and hit the gear icon at the upper right. Now pay very close attention, guys. This is where the magic happens. So I want you to scroll down to the section Tools and Resources. Then I want you to click on the first option, which is Privacy Checkup. So now, if you want to make our account private, or simply go through the privacy settings that we have, we want to click on the first option, which is who can see what you share. You want to click on this. Essentially over here, guys, after you click continue, you will have layout of all your information that you input previously on Facebook. Where you have been born, where do you live, where did you study, what did you study, where do you work, so on and so forth. All this information will be here. And then you can go manually, individual clicks on individual settings. You can set who can see what. Don't forget that it's not just public or private. It's not just friends and friends of friends. Don't forget that Facebook also allows you to filter your friends. So essentially I can put that my school can be seen from my friends except particular friends. I can filter inside my friends. Don't forget that these micro settings, micro adjustments sometimes make the big difference. So go ahead. I want you to don't rush, pay very close attention, and think twice. Who do you want to see what, and what you should actually hide. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually hide the likes and the views on your posts and other people's posts on Facebook. Very easy, guys, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. So the first thing you want to do when you're at your Facebook feed, you want to click on the lower right corner, okay? Then when you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon in the upper right. Very well. Now pay very close attention, guys. This is where the magic happens, okay? I want you to scroll down to the section preferences, and I want you to click on the option number 2, which is reaction preferences. When you click over here, you have two different scenarios. Scenario number 1, if you click this on, this simply will hide all the views, all the likes, all the interactions, all the shares of other people's posts on your feed. Meaning, your friend posts a picture, you're not gonna see how many people like it, how many people share, how many people comment on it, okay? Simply not gonna see that. But if your friend publishes something on Marketplace, like a picture or something on the Reels, like a video, you're going to see all the interactions, all the videos, because this function doesn't work on Marketplace and doesn't work on Reels. Okay, scenario number 2, if you turn this on, will do the same but for you. When you publish a picture or a video, only you will be able to see how many people like it, how many people share, how many people comment. All the interactions will be only visible for you, not for other people. And when you post something on Marketplace or on Reels, well, everything will be visible for everyone. Everyone will be able to see the likes and the view count. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to unblock accounts on Facebook. Very easy, guys, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. When you're at your Facebook feed, I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right so you can go to your profile. Now, when you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right function at the gear icon. Now, when you're at settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called audience and visibility, okay? And then I want you to go ahead and click on the second to the last, which is blocking. When you click on blocking here, you will have a list of accounts, individual, professional, as well as pages that you previously blocked, okay? Now we have an option to quickly unblock by simply clicking unblock. Very easy, guys, very simple. You can go through this manually or simply you can search for a particular account on your feed, find the account, go on the page, and then click unblock. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.